की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kinong sinong jong Maikhuli. Hakakhat waitere gunaitung arajar arpsan kilami iban persya ya kasoskolar ya sungtu jingmun laneka Memorandum of Understanding baladep ya soy hapadeng ke sorkar Meghalaya bat ke sorkar Assam na gebenta banya penbet ya kijaka kibadang don hapadeng ke jingya kajaput. Kajing persya jong kipait ba kalong kham tam kajing syak Pynngat ke Pung ri Dohkha ke bala penmentoi ya kipait ba ke sinong Maikhuli syau put usam jong ke jela Assam Hadien ke Jingïasoi ya ke soskular. Kat kum ke Jingïasoi jong kipait ba kani ke Pung ri Dohkha ke dei ke bala ri bat sumar daga dorbar sinong Maikhuli la palat san post nem bat deiru ke badang hap hapo put usam jong ke Ribhoi district Meghalaya. Nrei Hadien ke Jingïa penbet ya put usam ya gani ke Pung ri Dohkha la Pynngat jubor sya ke jela Assam. Ki pait ba ki balai shimenta ke Jingïa rally ke la dawa ya ke sorkar Meghalaya bat ya ke sorkar Assam. Ban khmi bnia asa shisien halor ke soskular bat ban penpai ya ke Pung ri Dohkha sya ke sinong Maikhuli.
Ni Maikhuli pi bonds ko pabil ko kasabay to ko nang ni MOU sign kagaman ko ni bulbosar na kasabay ya ni bil busi sopungarang ong ha uko ni ya protest kadide baya moto de ya bil ko asam no dane chinga tal protest ha sar kasabay na nang ni MOU sign kagabo ko ni bulbo chinga ya ko chinga asam na onjoa.
We are protesting here regarding Meghalaya government and Assam government. They have already signed the MOU in Delhi, but there is one point we have objectionable that memorandum number 5. I will read out this memorandum. Whereas in the meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya on 6 August 2021 at Guwahati Regional Committee headed by a minister with local MLA and other officers as members both side for the 6 area of difference covering 3 districts each of on both sides were to be constituted for jointly visiting the area followed by their independent and analysis of the area of difference using 5 mutually agreed principle. IA 1 historical perspective, 2 ethnicity of local population, 3 contiguity with boundary, 4 people's will, and 5 administrative convenience at your stick. We have learned that this point is not going to for our side. It is objectionable that people's will. This should be done by the Meghalaya government or Assam government. This is a very important point, and administrative convenience as yardstick, because Meghalaya government is already was given to us all the facility, schools and roads and everything given by the Meghalaya government. But Assam, we don't have any single paisa also. That's why we have objection that this fishery fund Actually, this is given to the Assam government that memorandum number 11, memorandum number 15, I read out area out of the shared area, claim area of 2.29 square kilometer, a total of 0.50 square kilometer, approximately parts of the village Maikhuli, Pilangata, and Borapata Stonegwari area will be with Meghalaya. Further, in Khanapara area, out of 0.08 square kilometer demanded during the discussion, it is agreed that the ASTC transit camp of police outpost Namkor Assamese inhabited area of number 1 Khanapara village and Dreamland Resort area totaling approximately 0.03 square kilometer will be Assam. That place also, some Khanapara area also already given to Assam. The rest of the 0.5 square kilometer area, including the entire apartment complex of Brahmaputra Realtors Private Limited, will be with Meghalaya. In rest of the portion between ASTC transit camp to Dreamland Resort boundary will be along with the road connecting to the GS road. In Patarkusi area, inhabited by Garos and other ethnic communities of Meghalaya and their religious and cultural places, if any, will be included in Meghalaya during detailed survey. In Maikhuli area, Muammari Bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam. That's why we are protesting this very important matter, that playground will be Meghalaya and graveyard will be Meghalaya. Then between this fishery pond, how it is going to Assam? That's why we have protesting this thing, especially this fishery pond. We have maintaining more than 50 years. So we have constructed returning wall and job card signboard is also here, and fishery we have given pieces here. Every year we have catching and we have selling, and that financial we have managing some schools and others also. That's why. And another, this is not the Muammari bill. We call this Meghalaya in our Maikhuli village. This is the Maikhuli village fishery pond. Only we written this name, Maikhuli village fishery pond, not the Muammari bill. Muammari bill is 1 kilometer far from here. This is called Patorkusi Nogaon Gaon. There is no place now, Muammari bill, there is no. Because this is already filled up and constructed dwelling house, everything. That's why people are not known. That's Muammari bill. Actually, it is not called the Muammari bill. This is the Muammari bill is different. That's why we are protesting and giving the memorandum to Chief Minister and our Honorable Magistrate and DC also, Deputy Commissioner also. Just early when the Chief Minister came to this Umsning block inauguration, that time we have given a memorandum also, and Deputy Commissioner Ripoy and our Magistrate, Revenue Magistrate, Mr. Eric Dohkha, that also we have already given. And if any will be included, Meghalaya during the detailed survey in Maikhuli area, Muammari bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam, and the Maikhuli graveyard will be with Meghalaya. Thus, overall Meghalaya will get approximately 0.50 per square kilometer, and Assam will get approximately 1.74 square kilometer. That's all, because we have very much protesting this from the beginning. When Meghalaya state is carved out from the Assam since 1972, we are fighting. And you know, 1976, when Captain Williamson Sangma is the chief minister, was the chief minister. That time, we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma regarding this border problem. there also. We should help from our Didi Lapang. He's still alive. He's very helpful to us in Maikhuli village people. Nah, that's why we went to meet the Captain William Sangma that time also. Now we are not going to give our fishery fund to Assam because it is a well-known our Maikhuli village fishery fund. Now since more than 50 years we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. When we got this memorandum, I myself, my name is Megh-Assam Barak, I take out this RTI from our Chief Secretary Diwalang. No, that's why I got this memorandum and I have seen this all the points. No, that's why we are protesting here today. My view and my speak this much. So I request our Honorable Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the Maikhuli village. Thank you.
Chief Minister Konrad Sangma ko nga akan na mula kasabay Jingïa San kagubako Assam aro Meghalaya government sakani asong kagubako please nipulbo. Jengade maina jenga fishery gure jengade maina watjawa. Jengade maina skanguni bulsi sopunga gatam jengan jakhalnga ini gemen jengade maina fishery gure jengade onjawa. Na sir please na nibo. Terung sa nangi San kagubako na nipulbo. Aro jenga mai Jingï district council ni haako na dikin direct do na manjawa. May jengade maina ino 6 sidil donga. Ingkote na direct na manjawa ro sir. Na please na Jingï ang bangiba kan jawa na kasapay na judge kana kasay mana na jirakiban ani pulbo angan nang ko yunun metela.